tightness. Supination, pronation is always very, very difficult, extremely challenging to work on. Before we use this one, our poor OTA, we done a lot. Say maybe we just have all the time just say do a lot of preparation, do a lot of say stretching, and then just hold it there. Because when the time we have to elongate the tightness or stiffness, you need the time. And then we just think about, we always think, you got only an hour OT. And the patient may not be only with the tightness on supination, pronation. So we will see whether there's any potentials to be better. And if we find that this one, after say our manipulation, we find that say there's potentials to be stretched, then we have to think, is there anything we can use or we can do to extend the time? This is always my principle behind. And let's say if I presume for this case he got tightness in supination, so that means he can say difficulty in supinate. Example, to supinate slightly more than neutral, then he gets stuck. And then if after the evaluation or stretching we find that there's quite a bit of possibilities there, then I'll use this one. This is basically a simple thing. You remember say we always think say if we are creative enough and make use of what you have, say what I have, I'm very mechanical and also I like woodwork. So I apply some basic woodwork project concept, and also make use of say all the material we have. This is not expensive stuff, and then we just say ask the patients to put their hands, thumb inside the hole, and then say positions to the way it should be, and we this say strap say here is really good. The white stuff is really friction. When you have the chance, you should try, and then put it there. What we have to do, just well positioned and nice. You should feel that say you are fighting with me, eh? So of course say the stretching, it depends how much he can take, and then I put the Velcro on the bottom. So this is all you have to do, and then say after we find the stretching later, we can go for a little bit more. Think about like that. This is a really, really wonderful leverage. So long time ago, some people just stretch it here, and people complain. The patient always complain because when the time I stretch, actually I want to stretch into the forearm, but when the time you apply the force here, you stretching your hand and the wrist. May not be too much to the forearms, but this way it's overall one piece. And if I want to go further, you should feel the difference, right? So this is what we can do. It's simple things. When the time you see that, no big deal. But say we can make use of the simple idea to turn into effective and therapeutic exercise. That would be great. Okay? Why don't we